Good morning, students. Today we can start new chapter number 12, exponents and powers. So, what is exponent? You know that what is square, cube. For example, 3 square. That means 3 into 3. This 2 times you have to multiply this base number, right? So, 3 into 3, which is equal to 9. And 3 cube. So now the exponent, this is exponent. Okay, the raised to number is exponent. So 3 times we have to multiply the same number 3. So 3 into 3 into 3. What is the meaning of 3 raised to 4? 4 times we have to multiply 3. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, so this number in the upper side, what you are writing, these numbers are called exponents or powers. Okay. So these two numbers are exponents and powers. So here 2 is the power of this 3. 3 is the power of this 3. 4 is the power of this 3. Okay. So let us start with number 1. Evaluate first one. 3 raised to minus 2. So here it is minus 2. You have to apply one property to solve this question. Okay. So that is a raised to minus m. If in the power any minus number is coming, you have to take the reciprocal and remove the negative. Okay. So 1 divided by, here it is already 1. So this 1 should come onto the numerator. So 1 divided by a raised to minus m should come here a raised to plus m. Next normal calculation. Okay. So 3 raised to 1 minus 2, which is equal to 1 divided by 3 raised to, instead of minus 2 here it should come plus 2, that is 3 square. So 1 divided by 3 square is equal to 3 into 3, that is 9. This is the final answer. Okay. Next, minus 4 the whole raised to minus 2. Same method you can apply. 1 divided by minus 4, you cannot change anything. So I had written it as minus 4 the whole raised to, instead of this minus 2 we can write it as square. Okay. So 1 I had written it as 1. Minus 4 the whole square means minus 4 into minus 4. Minus into minus plus. So minus 4 into minus 4 you will get plus 16 is the answer. Okay. Next third part, do it as homework. Next question number 2. Simplify and express the result in power notation with the positive exponent. So we have to write it as in the terms of powers and it should be the positive exponent. Okay, so first question, minus 4 the whole raised to 5 divided by minus 4 the whole raised to 8. Okay, so how can we represent these numbers? First of all, I am writing it in the form of fraction number. Minus 4 the whole raised to 5 I written first on the numerator, and this number should come onto the denominator, right? So divided by minus 4 the whole raised to 8 should come onto the denominator. Okay, so here minus 4 and here also minus 4. Now we are applying another property, a raised to m divided by a raised to n. This is m, this is n. A is minus 4. Okay, so what is the property? A raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. Okay, now I am applying this property here. A raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. Okay, so a raised to m minus n. What is a here? Minus 4. So minus 4 the whole raised to m minus n, that is 5 minus 8. So I am writing here 5 minus 8. So minus 4 the whole raised to 5 minus 8 is equal to minus 3. So if it is in the negative number, you have to take the reciprocal of this given number. So minus 4 the whole raised to minus 1 by 3, you have to apply this property, a raised to minus m is equal to 1 divided by a raised to m. So 1 divided by a minus 4. So same minus 4 I had written here. Instead of this minus 3 you have to write plus 3. So 1 divided by minus 4 the whole raised to 3. That means 1 divided by minus 4 the whole raised to 3 means minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4. That is minus 64. This is the final answer. 1 divided by minus 64. Next, case number 2, do it as homework. I will show you third part. Minus 3 the whole raised to 4 into 5 by 3 the whole raised to 4. Okay, so here you have to apply another property. AB the whole raised to m is equal to a raised to m into b raised to m. AB the whole raised to m is equal to a raised to m into b raised to m. This property you have to apply here. AB the whole raised to m is equal to a raised to m into b raised to m. Okay, so a raised to m into b raised to m. How can we write here? Minus 1 into, first I am splitting this one. Okay, here we have plus 3, so I am converting this minus 3 into the form of plus 3. So I am multiplying minus 1 into my plus 3. So minus 1 into 3, you know that this minus 3 comes. So instead of this minus 3, we can write minus 1 into 3. So minus 3 the whole raised to 4 means minus 1 into 3 the whole raised to 4 into 5 raised to 4 divided by 3 raised to 4. That means 5 raised to 4 divided by 3 raised to 4. A by b the whole raised to m is equal to a raised to m divided by b raised to m applied here. Okay, now we can write this separately. Minus 1 the whole raised to 4 into 3 raised to 4 into these terms. 5 raised to 4 divided by 3 raised to 4. 3 raised to 4, 3 raised to 4 cancelling. Next, minus 1 the whole raised to 4 into 5 raised to 4. Minus 1 the whole raised to 4, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, that is plus 1 into 5 raised to 4. So the final answer is equal to 5 raised to 4. This is the final answer. Okay, next fourth part, do it as homework.